Hi everybody, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome back to my channel. Tell me, do you like broccoli rabe, also known as rapini or Italian broccoli? I'm gonna saute the broccoli rabe with a little bit of garlic, mild Italian sausage, a little bit of chili flakes, and then a touch of lemon on it. So all these flavors will kind of like tone down the bitterness of the broccoli rabe and it'll be just delicious. Let's get cooking. Basically, the ingredients are really simple. You'll have a bunch of broccoli rabe, some mild Italian sausage, a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, and some lemon. Gonna turn the heat to high. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to add the mild Italian sausage and break it up. You can see the sausage is cooked. And I'm going to add a little bit of chili pepper flakes to it. Give that a stir. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the broccoli rabe. I'm going to taste it before I season it because the Italian sausage may be a little bit salty. Oh, it's delicious. I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon in it. The broccoli rabe with Italian sausage is all done. Now you can enjoy this just as it is with a glass of wine, or you can serve it on toasted Italian bread and drizzle some olive oil on it and then Parmesan cheese on it and then dress it up. Or you can serve it on top of your favorite pasta. The smaller the pasta, it'll be the better because it'll all mix in with the pasta, and then with every bite, you get the pasta, the broccoli, the Italian sausage, and it's just blends. Enough talking, let's give it a taste. I can smell the garlic and the lemon olive oil. The bitterness has been toned down with the Italian sausage, and you get a little bit of spiciness from the chili pepper flakes, and then the lemon just makes it bright and refreshing. This is really delicious. Do try it at home. I know it's an acquired taste because broccoli rabe is a little bitter, but the more you eat it, the more you come to love it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.